that's the lineup for the neons and the calibers for the VIP. Alright guys, we're gonna take it onto the dark side over there. We have a bunch of calibers right here in the beginning. Look at that, look at that. Super clean. Yo, the calibers and the neons in here in Florida are fucking clean. Look at how clean that thing is. So we're just gonna walk down here. Yo, that paint is super clean. Real talk. This one has some trophies. Super clean. Super clean setup. We got a spot. It's looking nice, dude. I like that blue.
Thanks, man.
Yo, check me out. Pretty sure you've seen some of my videos, yo.
Alright. Oh yeah! Dude, you made it! That's
What up?
awesome.
How are you?
Good.
Look at this. Look at this. So clean. That diffuser is super clean. Something I've never seen before right there, you guys. Sorry about my shadow. Ooh, murdered. Murdered. Look at that. Look at that tuck, you guys. That's perfect. Skittle Fabs approved. Look at that carbon fiber. Look at that. Super clean. Super clean. What are you guys breaking, Axel? Oh. What up?
Oh, what's up?
Check me out. I know you probably have already. Look at those. So there's one that's already broken an axle. We got this one that I seen when we rolled in, Johnny Boost, which I gotta talk to him in a little while because I'm supposed to get one of those. Neons are gonna start in a minute, but all these calibers are super clean, super clean. So we got Johnny Boost and we got his other one right here. Bro, super clean.
How are you, man?
How are you, dude? Look at this in person for the first time. I'm like you guys, all I do is see video and pictures. If you guys do not follow him on IG, I'll leave it in the description below. Look at those wide fenders, you guys. Super wide. That's his other one. And we got this one, which also has Johnny Boost's towel delete. Look at this. Oh, now that is nice. Everybody loves the Boombas. DCI mount. Just, oh. Look at that. Look at that. This color combo is like perfect. Perfect. I'm telling you guys, the flame reds, that's why I got a flame red, because look how nasty they look. Look at them. Look at them. Nuts. The white ACR though, nuts. Honestly, I don't even know which one's my favorite. Real talk. What in the hell? Ghostbusters? Ooh. What are you guys doing? Tuning?
Yeah, looking at him, Matt.
Wow, you guys. Super clean.
Don't lie. You know you want NTS?
Look at that turbo. Wow.
So you guys hang out.
They're everywhere, you guys. So many. And these E-Blues. These E-Blues. No crust. This is up.
And for drop of eliminations for the SRT4 will be at 1:15 sharp. 1:15. We'll go straight into round one. We'll have up. We'll let you know. We'll have a qualifying ladder set over to Chris and the DJ booth over there. You guys are running. Go hang out. Go check out the cars, folks. We'll be back to action here right around.
Look at this setup. Look at this setup. I've never seen anything so custom. I respect this one. If you guys do not know who this is, then you shouldn't be following me. Real talk. Do your research. Hybrid kid. Mad respect. Mad respect. Much respect, yo. Fully caged. That's dope. Ooh, look at this one. Super dope.
Hey, I don't know if something broke when I went in the board.
dog box.
Is it really?
Are you looking in the window?
I'm trying.
Yeah, I've done racing today. Something's broken.
I swear I heard something boiling.
Huh?
I swore I heard something boiling.
Oh, coolant?
Yeah.
Clutcher. I mean, it drives good. It feels like it goes right in. There's no weird noise in engagement, so I don't think it's. I don't know. Something rubbing or not right.
Do you have the camera? Do you have the light on? Turn the light on.
Super dope. I can't get over how large that thing is. And then back to this one because that thing's obnoxious. Ooh, I like this. That's different.
I'd rather have rum and coke if you don't mind.
Maybe it's a dog box and the shift linkage will move on its own because there's no springs in there. Maybe it's touching the dog while it's in neutral.
Oh, that's the dog.
Look at this setup, you guys. Super dope.
Start it up and leave the clutch down and rev it again and see if
It does the same noise.
That's what we're trying to figure out.
Crazy.
That sounds like the ring. Yeah.
Well, you probably got one of your dogs probably cracked. It's warped.
And being that it didn't go like clunk, 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 clunk the whole way here, then
It's still on there together.
yeah.
Alright, let's get to the track and see what's going on over here.